All right, Mindy. So this is why it probably happened. I don't even need to look at your credit report to most likely be able to identify the issue here. So if you're going to pay off your auto loan, you need to make sure a couple things. Number one, make sure that all your credit card debt is paid down. If it was, the most likely situation that happened here is that auto loan wasn't seasoned at least 2 years. Because once you close an auto account, as long as you have supporting credit and you have paid down credit